Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your earbuds Moto Buds 270. So, to enable ANC you need to use your left earbud. At the back side, right here I have Moto logo, this one is Touch Area. So, these headphones have ANC, transparency and normal mode. Right now I have normal mode. And I recommended to put this earbud to your ear and then press 2 times. 1, 2. And now, after normal mode, you will hear a voice prompt ANC on. So we just turn on ANC. To turn off it, you need to press again 2 times. 1, 2. And now we swap to transparency mode. You will hear prompt ambient sound. Then 1, 2 and normal mode. From the normal mode, again, we can return to ANC. So, there is no application for these earbuds on iOS and on Android, so this one is the only one option how to enable or disable it. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!